Hello YouTubers, yeah, probably some of my friends are going to subscribe to me and stuff. I'm just wondering what you guys been doing and stuff. Well, I only have one subscriber, which is myself. Right now I am playing Xbox up there. Yeah. Let's get to that. But a couple of weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, I got a new airsoft gun, and it's really powerful. You could hear the clicks and stuff probably. But the BB gun, well, airsoft gun, is really nice. It shoots well, really accurate and stuff. So here it is. This is my own. Oh, I have another BB gun, but it's an M16, but it doesn't have the color thing and stuff. Just letting you know. And then this is the size of the bullet. It's not huge when you. It's like that size and stuff. What? Oh my god. Okay, but right now I have eggnog. I love eggnog, but it's not even Christmas. It's like been a couple. Last week it was Halloween and stuff. Yeah, that's where I live. But if you saw my tour of the house, you could have saw it and stuff. But here's my M16 rifle right here. But I'm gonna color this because it's like an airsoft and pellet BB gun, because it usually doesn't come out like that and stuff. So I can take this off because it's undetachable and stuff. Okay, and I can put it on. Crap. And then yeah, that's it. And I have my own bow and stuff. I hunt a lot. I hunt white-tailed deer. I hunt squirrels. I hunt turkeys. And this is my bow right now. My bow and stuff. You're probably wondering what is the neon. It's the scope to aim and stuff. And then if you have a bow, you do not want to mess up these lines. I mean, the black lines, probably can't see it. Right there. It's right there. If you mess up that, it won't work properly and stuff. So, yeah. But I'm going to give you a quick color by room. But, actually, no. But this is basically like a vlog and mini vlog. But this is my bedroom where I sleep and stuff. Probably edit my videos and stuff, which I don't edit my videos. I don't know why. But if you guys want to subscribe and leave a comment below and like it in the bottom and stuff. And so yeah, that's basically it. Bye.